Ahmed Beis. Omer Beis Babun. Tamon Chamishis Tzoif Shvius. He's answering there's a question the Gemara asked before on Rabbi Yehuda. Rabbi Yehuda says by Eidos that if some person says Chamishis and other says Shvius, it's a Muslim Betela because nobody can confuse the fifth hour with the seventh hour. Because then the Shemesh is after Chatzos and here's before Chatzos. By here he says that you're not allowed to eat B'shach Chamishis because you might confuse it, and if you'll eat after Chatzos. So why should you say such a thing? Doesn't everybody realize that Shach Chamishis is before Chatzos? And for the Gemara, Talmud Tchilas Chamishis Sof Shvius. There by Eidos we're talking. One guy said Tchilas Chamishis. You ask him, when did you see this? He says Tchilas Chamishis. Tchilas Chamishis would mean 10 o'clock. Yeah, because the end of Chamishis is 11. 10:01 is called Tchilas Chamishis. Sof Chamishis is 11. So here Tchilas Chamishis means 10:01. Sof Shvius means the end of Shvius means 12:59. So that is no good because that's for sure a big mistake to make such a big difference. Bramhachas Sof Chamishis Tchilas Shvius. Chazal told you don't eat chamishis. You know why? Because if you say you can't eat chamishis, it would mean soif chamishis, 10:59. Now 10:59 is very close to 12, because it's already almost 11. So if you allow somebody to eat, then he's going to continue eating until chatzos. So that's why you don't allow a person to eat chamishis, because that can mean also soif chamishis, 10:59. That's maschalav b'chatzos. But on the Cain, if we say by Eidos, Shabtchilas Chamash Chamash Chama b'Mezilach, V'Soif Shvius Chama b'Mayir. So what does it mean? La'ina Chama Neidim Ma'ir V'Soif Sheva. There, the problem is because the guy said such a bad thing. He said that he said the story happened at 1 o'clock. Soif Sheva. That doesn't work. It's something is wrong here. But here the chashash is that you can be mischal of 10:59 with 12. The sun 12 o'clock is exactly in the center, and 10:59 is also very close to the center. So if you allow somebody to eat 10:59, you might eat by chatzos also. Rav Amar, Divrei Meir. Now Rav said, you had yesterday, Rav Meir holds that V'shah Shishas is only Midirabanan. It's only Asa Midirabanan. However, if you Mekadesh Isha, Sheish Asa Lamaylan, Le Asa Klum. Even it's also only Asam Derabanan, it's not Chal de Kedushin. It Chitten Kartavanias. The Gemara brings it down also, Chute Kedenaisa. If you have Chittim that are very hard, and it doesn't really become Chametz, it became wet, it's Chametz Nuksha, still is Ene Kedosha. So we see even Is Derabanan is enough that the Isha should not be Mekedeshes because it's not worth anything. Chad Barnash Afkid described the pieces a sack of bread. Gaber Pchia Ruba by Pchia Godel. That's the regular Pchia. Omer Yisrael bin Yechnech Kekaya. His name was Yechnech Kekaya. Also Sholi Rabbi. Pchia came and asked Rabbi, Omer to Machal Pi Bezen Mishasa beer. He said when it comes to Shasa beer, that's the Shah Chamishis, and you're not allowed to eat anymore, then you should go to a bezin. Bezin's gonna tell you how much it's worth, and then you should sell it. Chad Banash, probably for a goy. Chad Banash afked guy with the kuscha, a barrel of kusach. Kusach is a certain dip that had breadcrumbs in it. That were Pchia Barasha. Also show the Rav. He came to Rav. Amalei, he said to him, Yivacha Pi Bezin Shasbi. Same story. Hayden Shasabir. So what does it exactly mean, Shasabir? Well, we said it means the Shachamishas. But the Gemara says, Rabbi Yirmiyah Omer B'Shachris. It means even in the morning. But Omer Chamishas Rabbi Yehuda. It means Shachamishas. It means when you cannot eat it anymore, you sell it for a goy. Omer Rabbi Yasa, Yos, Omer Rabbi Yirmiyah. If Yirmiyah said good. Klum Omer Ligbehem B'Machram Libnei Hashabai Lavedim. The whole reason is, why can you sell it? Because you want to do Shabbos Aveda. Chamishas Rabbi Yehuda, Letova Kulam. I mean, you sell it for a goy for very cheap. The goy, especially if the goy knows that you have no choice. So what's Hashavas Aveda here? Rather sell it in the morning when people are still hungry, they want to eat breakfast. Like this, you can sell it for a normal price. Chavraya Omer. Chamishas Rav Yehuda Agdeshim Midrash. What's the halacha according to Rav Yehuda? Shach Mishas, if you are magdish it. Let's say 10:30, you cannot eat it anymore. So he said, Arezu Hegdish. So he says it's Chalda Hegdish. So a Teruma in a Teruma. Interesting halacha. A Teruma is not. Hegdish Mugdish Hegdish Dama. Because it's worth, it's money. It has a monetary value. You can actually sell it for a goy. So anything that has a monetary value can be magdish. So a Teruma in a Teruma, why can't you make a Teruma? That is because the nitna Teruma el achila bavad. Anything that's not royal achila, you cannot be chal truma on it. And since it's not now, it's right now it's not royal achila, you cannot make a truma. Only Rabbi Yasa. So that's what the Chavraya said. So Rabbi Yasa said for the Chavraya, lo yistarba delu chalufa. I think that it's just the opposite. You're saying now, I think the opposite is correct. Agdesha in a migdish, so truma is a truma. Why? I'll tell you my svar. Agdesha in a migdish. What is Hagdish going to do with this? They can't sell it, so they can only sell it for a goy. That's called like a klavim, or they can sell it to somebody that needs some to give it for his dog to eat. You're not allowed to do it. So Hagdish has no use out of it, so it's not Hagdish. So a truma is a truma. It means it's when a Torah, it's mutter. So even though the Chacham said you cannot eat it, but you can't say in a Torah that it should not be chal. This din of input shakal shachin v'klav is that is the right to get din. It's min Torah. But this is the only with the Rabbanon. How can the Rabbanon be oiker davar min Torah? Min Torah you say it's mutter b'achila. So min Torah the truma is chal. It's chal shem truma on it. Nobody can eat it. Okay, and it's your problem. You have to burn it. But don't say that truma is not chal on it. Look at this. The end of Daf Dalet Amud Beis.